The purpose of this video is quite simple. This is a very simple way to start reviewing performance of your landing pages using Google Analytics 4's GA4. You really just need access to your Shopify site, obviously Replo, and then making sure that your GA4 property is properly configured on Shopify. This tutorial will not cover how to set up GA4 in Shopify. There's some Shopify documentation that's referenced in the written part of this document, but this will cover kind of the initial reports that we recommend you look at when you are first exploring, how your pages perform. So the first thing you want to do is, come into GA4, and then you're going to go over to reports on the left-hand side, and then you're going to see several different options. You're going to click on engagement, and then you're going to click on landing page. And then this is going to give you the ability to segment your traffic and your performance based on the specific landing page that someone visited. And one of the things that you will need to do is go up to the top right, hit the customize report, click on metrics, and you want to add things that are relevant to you. So the add to carts, the revenue, for example. You can also add things like conversion rates. So the conversion rate on a specific session. And you can also look at the conversion rate by users as well. And it's fun to compare both of those just to see, how long is it, how many sessions does it take on average, to get someone to convert, and then how, just for that specific user or each unique user, what the average conversion rate is. And so you can add these. Let's go ahead and add session conversion rate and any other metrics that are relevant to you, and then hit apply. You can save this as a new report. Save as a new report, name it landing page performance report, hit save, and then now you can go in and review your data. Go back, adjust the time scale. You can go the last 30 days, you can look at the last year, last quarter, etc. And you can go through and check out the specific performance of each page. One of the things that we highly recommend is that you do this often enough, at least once a week, so you can see performance over time, layer in how much spend is going to these. So if there's a way for you to, out of all of the ad spend that you're running, all the traffic in general that you're running, how much of that is actually how much more are you allocating to driving traffic to specific landing pages? You want to take that information into account when you're reviewing the performance, because you might say, oh, this particular landing page didn't perform like I thought it was, but maybe you didn't actually give it enough traffic for it to be meaningful or to have had enough time to be tested. So make sure you're layering in that information as well. But this is the easiest way for you to get started reviewing your landing page performance using GA4.